Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first video of the series that will finish up Stat157. I'm sorry for not getting these up earlier, but I've had some technical glitches, like trying to get my Microsoft Surface to recognize any microphone. For a while, it wasn't even talking to the built-in. I have a workaround now. So let's get started. Last time, we had just done an example, and I'd like to go over again briefly to remind you of where we were before we move on. We looked at the addition rule, right here, the addition rule, and the example we've done is how many positive integers from 1 to 20 inclusive are evenly divisible by 2, evenly divisible by 3, or evenly divisible by 2 or 3. What we had done is nothing very sophisticated. We'd used the brute force method, we'd written them all out, and we determined that there are 13 of them, and we noted at the bottom that 13 is not equal to 10 plus 6. So you can't just take all of the ones divisible by 2 and add them to the ones divisible by 3 in order to get 16, because as we noted in class, there are duplicates. If you take a look at the list that are divisible by 2, there's 1, 2, 3 of them that also appear on the second list. And so if you think about it, what you'll notice, let's draw the line here for our new content. But what we can say is that 13 is equal to 10 plus 6 minus 3. In other words, the first group plus the second group, it looks like I can't spell second today, minus the overlap. And this brings us to the addition rule. And the addition rule is the following. It says that, just turn my page here, it says that the number in A or B is equal to the number in group A plus the number in group B minus the number in group A and B. Or if you like to think about it using a stats perspective, this is the number of events containing A or B is equal to the number in group A plus the number in group B minus the number in both. And you can also write this, the both part, as the number in AB using what looks like Boolean notation. Now, for those of you who remember anything about Venn diagrams, and this is optional, but it's a nice little visual if you like. If you draw a little Venn diagram here, and let's call the left one A and the right one B. Here are all the elements in group A, or the number of events in group A. Here are the ones in B. And so the ones in the middle, that little central area, are being double counted. And so you could say that it's equal to the big circle of A plus the big circle of B minus that little overlap there. Actually, let's do that. We fill all the stuff in, minus the overlap, which has been double counted. And so that's the addition rule. I'm going to stop this video now because I want to do short little ones. The next one will be a full example.